Hi guys, this is Mr. Crowther, and I'm the choir teacher and the piano teacher at Depoali Middle School, and we need your vote. Here's why. Several years ago, we asked our Reno community to donate unused keyboards to our school so that we could offer a piano course, and we got a lot of pianos donated. But unfortunately, the pianos were of various ages, some were at various stages of life and of quality, so we wrote some grants and we asked other generous members to please donate to create a state-of-the-art piano lab. And we got them. But now we have a problem. We don't have enough pianos, and we have a lot of students waiting to take this class. So here's how we need your help. We need to be able to provide more pianos to our students and to maintain this lab because we don't have a budget to do so. And in so doing, we can provide an amazing music education to these students and give even more students access to the music that they deserve. And in so doing, we're able to provide musicians who can give to the community, provide entertainment, including one of our favorite projects that we like to do here at Depoali Middle School, which is to visit care centers and provide entertainment. Please vote for the Depoali Middle School Piano Program. Thank you for your support.